Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and in this tutorial, we are going to see presentation video on Android flashlight notification for Android. Flashlight notification helps you to get notified with mobile flashlight, rear camera. It helps you to get notified when you are on silence mode. Point 1. How do I turn on flashlight notification? Step 1. Turn on the accessibility menu. Open your device's settings app. Tap accessibility, then tap accessibility menu. Turn on the accessibility menu shortcut. Tap on hearing. Turn on flashlight notification. Point 2. What are flashlight notification other options? Once you tap on flashlight notification, it allows you to on notification for incoming calls, event reminders, messages. Thank you for watching presentation video on Android flashlight notifications, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us at www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.